Hey guys, so today I want to show you the quickest way to send an email and how to add an attachment to your email message. So imagine you want to send a message to somebody by Gmail, how to add an attachment to that. So quickly, I'll go to my Gmail, I'll open my Google, and then I'll go to Gmail. When my Gmail opens, I will go to compose, and then I will type the email address that I want to send the message to. All right, so I'll just type an email address. Okay, I have an email address here. Then I will add a subject to my email. So what's the subject? I will say this is your letter. Okay, then I can say hi bro. Hi bro, I sent you a message. Attached is your letter. So if I want to add anything aside the letter I'm writing, I will just go to attachment and then I will attach my file. Now when you type your letter, you can add any other thing you want. You can change the font, you can make it bold, you can make it anyhow. So for example, I say hi bro, then I come here. I can decide to highlight anything of my choice. For example, I want to highlight the letter. I can make it bold. I can also increase the font. I can make it anything I want. All right, so let me add the attachment so that the letter can be simple. So I'll click on attachment, then I'll go into my file, then I'll choose any file of my choice which I have created. So I can decide to add this as the attachment. I click on this, I click open. Then down here you're gonna see that the attachment has been loaded, it has been uploaded. You can see the size, it is 95 kilobytes. I am done. When I click on send, the sender or the recipient is going to receive my letter. That is it. Thank you for watching. Join me another time. See you. Bye bye.